Most of us are not aware why seat belts are there in the car. Let me tell you the exact purpose of seat belts. If I'll pull it gently, you can see that I am able to lean forward. If a sudden force is applied on a seat belt, it immediately gets locked, just like this. You can see. So, if I am driving at a high speed and all of a sudden there's an obstacle in front and I need to apply brakes immediately, seatbelt will make sure that my body does not go ahead and hit the steering wheel, and it will prevent me. The same goes with the passenger seat. If the person is not wearing a seatbelt and the sudden force is applied on the car because the brakes are applied immediately, the person can actually hit even the windscreen of the car and can get injured badly. So make sure you do not compromise with your seat belts. Make sure immediately you get into the car, wear your seat belts and be on the safer side.